Neighborhood road construction. They're fixing the road. The neighborhood road construction. They're fixing the roads. Neighborhood. Bill, Bo, and Chris are fixing the road with Bill. Neighborhood construction. Neighborhood road construction. Neighborhood can smell the asphalt. Neighborhood. They're making noise. Beep, beep, beep. Neighborhood road construction. Neighborhood road construction. Neighborhood. They're fixing the road with Bill, Bo, and Chris, and Bill and Alex. Neighborhood road construction. You can hear the beeping noise. Neighborhood road construction. The steamroller is being rolled by Chris. They're going to be working on neighborhood road construction all day. You can hear the steamroller. Neighborhood road construction. They're working on the roads. Neighborhood. And Alex is still cutting the grass. Neighborhood road construction. You can hear the steamroller. Neighborhood road construction. Jay is getting grass sprayed into his face. My eyes itch. Knocked off Alex. Neighborhood road construction. One Tooth and Bucktooth. Neighborhood road construction. They're fixing the road. Neighborhood. They're paving it. You can hear beep, 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 beep. Steamrollers. Neighborhood road construction. They're working in the neighborhood of Wildwood. They're fixing the roads. They're fixing the road. Neighborhood road construction. They're steamrolling. They're fixing the roads. They're fixing the potholes after the snowplow whacked them. Neighborhood road construction. It smells like Jay's asphalt on his ass. Neighborhood road construction. You can hear the machine. Neighborhood. There's a guy cutting his grass. Alex, well, the machine's going by. Neighborhood road construction. You can hear the lawnmower. Neighborhood construction. Beep, beep, beep. Means they're doing neighborhood road construction. Neighborhood road construction. Neighborhood. They're making noise. Neighborhood road construction. Neighborhood road construction. Neighborhood road construction.